When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the...
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you my honest review on the GB Pockit Plus 2018 stroller. So, the reason that I chose this stroller is because it is so tiny. I have a Mazda 3 and our biggest concern was about trunk space. I didn't want my whole trunk to be taken up by stroller. So yeah, that's why we got the GB Pockit Plus stroller. So yeah, let me let you know some of the features about it. So it folds up to this size. I am 5'3" and yeah, I guess I don't know. You can see my size, but compared to who I am, look how little this stroller is. Isn't it so cute? Let me show you how it unfolds. So, you take this little latch right here, you flip it up, and you throw the stroller out like that. So yeah, wasn't that so cool? You can push it, it's really easy. It has a dome canopy so that it will cover the baby in the sun and all that. It's different from the original GB Pockit strollers because the original one had like this little rectangle at the top, but it didn't really cover your baby really well. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Right now I have it locked because when you fold it into the tiniest setting, you want to lock it so that it can be easier. To unlock it, there are these two little white levers that you just press like that. And you can have swivel wheels once you do that. So it's very easy. You can roll it with one hand. Even with my baby in here, I have no problem rolling it with one hand. Let's lock it. I'm gonna show you how to use it with the Cybex Aton 2 car seat. So this stroller can convert to a travel system. You flip up these two adapters, which come with the stroller, by the way. I got my stroller from Amazon. It was about $229, I believe. By the way, it comes with the car seat adapters. Do not buy separate ones like I did. I guess I wasn't paying attention to the description, but it does come with the car seat adapters. So you just flip those up, wait till they click. And then you place your car seat into those two sides. One side, two side, and then you push it down, wait until you hear it click twice. Just like that, okay? So yeah, now you have a travel system. And it is really handy. It comes in handy. I actually have two under two. I have a 20-month-old, which is a little over a year and a half, and I have a 3-month-old who I just had her in April. So yeah, normally I will push her in here and carry him in my baby carrier, or vice versa. I'll push him in here without the car seat, of course, and carry my baby girl in the baby carrier. So yeah. Let me tell you more about some of the features. So, as you can see, it is flip-flop friendly. You won't break your shoes using the stroller. In order to take the car seat out, you lock the stroller. There are two gray levers on the sides. You don't use these because that actually adjusts the handle. It's two that are above that, and you just pull it up. You push it down and pull it up. It's much easier when my daughter is in here, but it's fine right now as well. So I will do a review on the car seat later. I love the car seat as well, by the way. It has a harness that is very easy to adjust with the shoulder pads for comfort. You just press the button, it unlocks it. It's very easy. And lock it back in. You're not going to be tugging with any strings with the stroller. It also adjusts if your baby wants to take a nap or If your baby wants to sit up more, you just pull it. This strap back here, you pull it up, and it has a lock. And that will put it where it is, your child will sit as high as he can. If baby wants to take a nap, you press the button in, pull it back, and let it down. If you want it to go back even more, there is a zipper right here that you can unzip and pull down even more. So, if you're out in the sun, lay baby back, pull over the dome lid. You could even put muslin cloth over, like the little, the really soft blankets, and baby can take a nap and not be disturbed and still be fairly comfortable. So yeah, let's fold that back. I'm gonna show you how to fold the stroller. We're gonna put everything back. One more thing I want to show you. The basket that it has. It's actually a pretty nice size basket. You can't fit a big diaper bag under there, but typically what I do, I have a diaper backpack that I either wear or I put it on the stroller when the baby's in it. If it's really heavy, then only have it on here when the baby's in it, because that levels out the weight. But if not, then you can slide like a small baby bag under there and it should be fine, or put snacks or whatever you have. So yeah, in order to fold the stroller, you want to lock it. Lock the two wheels in the front. And then you're going to press these two white levers, buttons actually, and you're gonna kind of go down and in. You'll see what I do. Down and in. If you want to fold it in the smallest setting, what you're gonna do, the back two tires have a white button lever type thing on it. You're gonna press that down and fold the wheel up on both sides. And then you're gonna continue. Let me get that one. You're gonna continue to fold down, and you can close it. So yeah, that is the GB Pockit Plus stroller. You can set this above, in the little above part of an airplane, so you can just take it with you. You don't have to worry about checking it or anything like that. That is free, even if you do have a bigger stroller or whatever, but how convenient to have your stroller right above you in the overhead when you're traveling with your babies, and much easier. I'm gonna show you one more way how to fold it if it's just for convenience and you're trying to get out in a hurry. So let's unfold it again. Make sure the legs click out if you have it in that setting like I said. And right now we're just gonna fold it to where it's the easiest. If you're trying, like you're coming from the store or the mall or something and you're trying to get in the car and go home or whatever. So you lock the back wheel. You're gonna press in these two buttons and just fold it down like that. You don't have to worry about folding the wheels. So we do both depending on the space needs or how much time that we have, but it's very easy. It can also set up by itself in both folds. So it can set up like this as well as in the smallest fold. Another reason why we like this stroller, actually I won't say like, love this stroller, is because my husband he's about 6 feet tall, and he requested that I not get a stroller that he had to lean over to use or anything. So it's a pretty good height compared to another umbrella type stroller that we had. So he's comfortable with pushing it as well. Very easy, just get some practice in. I've read all type of reviews about it, but I can let you know honestly that I love it. The only suggestion I would say is that I wish I got it in black, because it's easier to keep clean. This beautiful color that I got is called Laguna Blue. I got the stroller from Amazon. The link will be posted below in the description box. So yeah, if you want to get it, you are not wasting your money. Also, the car seat I got from Target, and it was half off at the time when I got it. And they had all these beautiful different colors, but that is like it was a little over $300 the car seat, but I got it for under $150. Plus I had a coupon, a registry coupon, which made it a little bit cheaper. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Feel free to subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Baby, you don't belong.